guys, welcome to my channel. I'm doing a tutorial today to the chicken noodle soup song. This is not the trendy dance. This is my own personal choreography. So feel free to learn and go along. We won't be doing any chicken arms, unfortunately, but it should still be fun. So also, don't forget to leave in the comments anything else you would like to learn. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoy this. Let's get started. Okay, so first thing is it starts going chicken noodle soup, and I just hold my hand out. This is, oh, and don't forget, I always reverse the camera in these videos, so when I say left, it will actually be the left, and you will be able to do it along with me, okay? So it goes chicken noodle soup, so you put your hand down like you're holding the table, I don't know, and then you're going to be churning like the soup, and you're just going to jump to the side, jump to the side, jump to the side, jump to the side, and you can like swivel to add more oomph to it. So you're going to go chicken noodle soup, and then you do it until she says with a soda on the side. So you're holding the soda, and you go soda on the side, and then you do it again, chicken noodle soup with a soda on the side. I switch arms. You could do the same arm, you could do whatever. I do right then left, so it's totally up to you. Okay, then when the music starts, when he starts rapping, you're going to step on your left foot, then your right foot. So it's going to go left, right. You're going to grab out, and your chest is going to be out, and then you're going to crack it. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4. You're going to swoop your arms down. So when you swoop, it's going to like pretend you're making a circle, and then your arms click something, and your head goes whoa. Okay, so it's like whoom, ha. Okay, so now I'm going to do my legs with it, and my legs are knees go to the right, turn to the left. And then when I do my head, it's frozen. So I go swivel around. Okay? So, and a 1, and 2, and a swivel, and a round. Okay? Then the next part, I call these elephant ears. You bring it up, and in, up, and in. So you go step right, bring it in, left, bring it in. If you want, you can put this arm out while you do one, and then switch. So I do right elephant ear, left elephant ear, okay? And a 1 and a 2. Then we're going to make the sunshine. So we go, and a 1 and a 2, sunshine. And then you're going to collapse in, and then you're going to do a fast pop out. Okay? So we go sunshine, boom, click, click. Now as you sunshine, you're going to tiptoe run. Da-da-da-da-da. Okay? Sorry, I don't have much space, so hopefully you have more space than me and you can travel a little bit further. So you do sunshine, crack, click, click. Okay? Perfect. Then we move on to, let's see, da-da-da-da, click, click. Then you're going to step across with your right foot, or your left foot, I'm sorry. Okay, so you step across left foot, left, turn right. You're going to kick, ball, change. So you kick, ball, change. Okay? So when you're doing that, you're going to cross, and you're going to grab your can of soup. You're going to set it down. Then you're going to kick it out of the way. And you can do whatever your arms you want right there. So you go grab it, set it, kick it, and down. Okay, then you're going to do like a little cowboy kind of, and you're going to go 1, 2, push. Okay, so ba, ba, push. Okay, so we go and a step, set it down, and a kick, ball, change. Also, it holds out, so you can go kick, ball, change as you drag, and then on the beat you go a 1, 2, 3. Okay, so as you do your 3, you're gonna push, and when it's time for your foot to step, instead of just dropping it, you're gonna turn to the back. So hopefully you can see this in my tiny little apartment. Turn. Okay, and that's over the left shoulder. So it's my right foot pushing left shoulder. Okay, then I'm gonna, as I land, my hands are gonna go to my right side, so it's gonna look like this. And I'm gonna go swivel, swivel, and my head's gonna go pop, pop, but that's to the back. So I'm going here, look at my audience, look away. And that's a little fast, so make sure you don't do it too slow. Okay, then you're gonna jump, and you go a hop, 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 and you throw on the 3rd. So you go 1, 2, 3. Okay, then I'm gonna step right, left, so it goes under myself, forward, with my right foot, then my left foot. So I go a right, left. As I do that, I'm gonna be rolling my arms out. So there's inward, and then there's out, like in towards me, out, away from me. So I'm doing them out, okay? As I do that, I'm gonna go ba-da-da, and my body's gonna like curve and pull it. So my hips are like da-da-da, and then it like pulls that right hip, and then it steps. Yeah. Sorry, I was about to ask you if that made sense, and you can't answer back because this is a video, but I'm so used to saying that in class. Okay, so you go. Hop, hop, throw. Step right, left, together. Then I'm going to kind of do a like hip hop walk. So my feet are going to be right, left, okay? As I walk, my hips are going to go forward, and it's going to be opposite arm is leg. So if I take a right foot step, it's going to be my left wrist pushing. So push, 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 okay? But I'm going to do it to the side. So I'm going to go right foot first, so left arm first. Right, left, right, together, okay? I mean forward, not together. So I go right, left, right, forward. And on this forward, this arm is gonna like pull it through, and I'm gonna just kind of curve up, or like whatever you want, kind of swerve up, right? Swerve together, okay? Then I'm gonna snake. So when you snake your arms, you wanna start with your fingers, wrist, elbows, shoulder, shoulder, elbows, wrist, finger. But I'm going to be more smooth, right? So I'm going to go smooth it out, smooth it out. Super easy once you get used to practicing it as fingers, wrist, elbows, shoulders. Okay? So, but when I do this, I'm going to lean my butt back and my chest forward, and then I'm going to go the opposite way and go back. So let's actually go forward, back, forward, forward. Okay? So it goes, I lean to the back, so my hips are forward, and my chest is back. Then I reverse forward. Okay? It's really easy. It's just back and forth. And you can pop a foot if you want. Okay? So I go right arm, right arm. Then I'm going to step and head up, together, head up, together. Switch sides, up, or up, together, and then I'm going to clap. So I know that's a little confusing, but you just step right together, left together, and your head is going up, away from your arm, and together, up and together, up and together, up and together. It gets a little confusing when you switch to the left, so it's okay, it'll take a couple of tries, and then just clap at the end. And that's the whole combo. So let's do it all together and see if we can piece it. So it goes, she's like, I let it rain, I clear it out. I let it rain, I clear it out. Chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup with the soda on side. Chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup, chicken noodle soup with the soda on the side. And then he starts to rap and you go left, right, out, in, swoop around. Crack. Elephant, elephant. Sunshine, down and out. Grab the can, put it down, kick it and drop. Body roll on the slow, and a bump, bump, push to the back. And remember, I'm grabbing, and I go boom, crack, and I jump. 1, 2, 3, right, left, in. Then I step right, left, right, pull. Together, lean to the back, lean to the front, and I go out together, out together, out together, out together, clap. And that's the whole combo. So hopefully makes sense. I will post a video doing it to the music here soon. So stay tuned and look for that video, and hopefully it will be up faster. And then, yeah, so again, don't forget to like and subscribe. Sorry I'm being so quiet. It's really late. My baby's sleeping, and I live in a tiny little apartment, and I'm a mess. So I hope you enjoyed this, and love you all. Happy dancing. Bye-bye.